As an Emmy Award-winning video editor with over 10 years of experience, I've worked with lots of software. Camtasia strikes a great balance of simplicity and flexibility. It offers you screen recording, video editing, motion graphics, audio filtering, and lots of video effects and animations all in one. In this course, you'll see how to make the highest quality screen captures, edit a video with precision and speed, add interactive features like captions, quizzes, and hotspots, and export and share your video. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use the full suite of Camtasia features to create high-quality videos. No prerequisite knowledge is required for the course. You don't need any prior experience in video at all. Join me as you learn how to use Camtasia like a wizard at Pluralsight.